Good day, everyone. Last Friday, I talked about our local agriculture business and the impacts they are facing through the COVID-19 pandemic. I mentioned that many of them supply Windsor and Essex County's restaurants. Tourism Windsor Essex Pelee Island has created Takeout Tuesday and has encouraged local residents to order takeout food on Tuesdays to support our local businesses and our economy. I too ask that you support this day here in Tecumseh. We have a number of local restaurants that are offering takeout and delivery, and I hope that you will consider this today, future Tuesdays, and any other day of the week. For more details to see what our local businesses are doing, please go to Tourism Windsor Essex website at www.visitwindsoressex.com. A number of our local businesses are also doing online shopping and curbside pickup. As Mother's Day is approaching, I ask that you consider these local businesses for potential gifts, ideas for moms. Our community has welcomed so many new businesses in the last few years, and we want them to continue to succeed through this pandemic. Even buying a gift card for future use helps them while they are closed. Our local small businesses make our community a great place to live, and we want to see them through this economic times. Yesterday, the Prime Minister was asked about the images from across the country of people out in public places, congregating and not physically distancing. He had a strong message for Canadians in reminding them that the point of these orders is to stop the spread of COVID-19 and keep everyone safe and healthy. Here in Tecumseh, we have seen this firsthand over the nice weekend in our parks and along our waterfront. We want to stress to all of you that we must stick to the physical distancing measures put in place. The stay-at-home direction and the provincial orders regarding congregating. I know that the weather has been nice and that you miss your friends, family, but cannot relax following these measures at this time. We need to take community spread seriously. Our cases continue to increase. We have had 54 deaths in Essex County, and our long-term homes are bearing the brunt of this. We are not out of the woods yet. We must stay true to the direction from our healthcare leaders. Stay home if you don't need to go out. Go for walks at off-peak times in parks, and don't go over to friends' houses, do backyard parties, or have people over. We must stay the course or risk another spike in our community transmission cases. This could lead to the federal and provincial governments postponing plans to reopen businesses. In our parks and public places, the OPP, our bylaw enforcement officer, and park staff are out daily. While most citizens are following the orders and are not concerned with enforcement, there have been instances where our staff have been treated poorly for enforcing the provincial orders in the community, and that is unacceptable. Our staff are working to protect the community and do not need to be berated or belittled in the process. Please remember that dogs are not allowed off-leash. Congregating in groups and using park equipment is not permitted, and physical distance separation of at least 2 meters is still required. When our staff address those in park or in public spaces, they are doing so to put these rules into effect. Show them respect and do not compromise their safety or the safety of others. Finally, last Friday, members of our fire and rescue services participated in a healthcare appreciation tour with other emergency services in Windsor and Essex County. As part of this event, crews driving fire trucks, ambulances, and police vehicles did a drive around to the Windsor hospitals as a show of support. The event was part of an ongoing recognition for the frontline workers caring for those who are ill. Tecumseh is home to a number of people working on the front lines of this pandemic, like nurses, doctors, paramedics, respiratory technicians, police, firefighters, long-term care workers, and staff at essential workplaces. This tour was to recognize the risks they take daily and to commend them for supporting our health, safety, and well-being. Let's all work together. Keep community safety in mind as we move forward this month. Have a good day, and we will see you soon. Thank you.